stop scrolling for a second. If your OKX trading bot is losing money, there's a very high chance you didn't set it up wrong. You understood it wrong. And that mistake is exactly why most people quietly bleed their account with trading bots. In this video, I'll show you how OKX trading bots actually work, why most tutorials fail you, and how to use them with control instead of hope. This is not another click buttons and get rich tutorial. I'm not here to promise guaranteed profits or magic bots. What you'll get in this video is a real understanding of how OKX trading bots think, when they work, when they fail, and how to stop letting the bot trade against you. By the end of this video, you'll know whether trading bots fit your strategy and how to use them like a system, not a gamble. What is OKX trading bot? An OKX trading bot is simply an automated system that executes trades based on rules you define. It doesn't predict the market, it doesn't think, and it doesn't care about your emotions. The bot only does one thing: it follows logic. And this is where most people misunderstand bots. They treat the bot like a signal provider, but in reality, the bot is just a machine that executes your decisions faster and without emotion. If your logic is weak, the bot will expose that weakness faster than manual trading ever could. Why most people lose money with bots? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't lose money because the OKX trading bot is bad. They lose money because they copy settings without understanding the strategy behind them. They turn on bots during the wrong market conditions. They don't understand what type of market the bot is designed for. And worst of all, they expect the bot to fix their lack of discipline. A trading bot doesn't remove risk, it removes hesitation. So if your strategy is flawed, the bot just accelerates your losses. How OKX trading bots actually work? Every OKX trading bot is built around one core idea, structure, whether it's a grid bot, DCA bot, or arbitrage bot. Each one is designed for a specific market behavior. Grid bots are designed for sideways markets where price moves up and down within a range. DCA bots are designed to manage entries over time, especially during volatility. Arbitrage bots aim to capture small inefficiencies between prices. If you use the wrong bot in the wrong market, no settings can save you. Understanding this single concept already puts you ahead of most users. The big mistake people make: most tutorials focus on which buttons to click. Almost none explain when not to use a bot. This is why people turn on a grid bot during a strong trend and wonder why it keeps selling too early. Or they turn on a DCA bot without understanding capital allocation and panic when drawdown increases. The problem is not complexity. The problem is missing context. Bots don't fail randomly. They fail predictably when used in the wrong environment. Types of OKX trading bots. OKX offers several types of trading bots, and each one serves a very specific purpose. Grid bots aim to profit from price fluctuations within a defined range. DCA bots are designed to average entries and reduce emotional decision-making. Arbitrage bots attempt to profit from price differences with minimal market exposure. The key is not choosing the most popular bot. The key is choosing the bot that matches the current market structure. Why copying settings doesn't work. Copying someone else's bot settings is like wearing someone else's glasses. It might look sharp on them, but it won't fix your vision. Their capital size is different. Their risk tolerance is different. Their market timing is different. Even their emotional behavior is different. Bots are not universal solutions. They are tools. And tools only work when used correctly. How to think like a bot creator. Instead of asking, which bot makes the most money, you should ask one question. What market condition is this bot designed for? When you start thinking this way, everything changes. You stop chasing screenshots, you stop FOMO trading, and you start using bots as controlled systems instead of lottery tickets. When to actually turn on a bot? One of the most important skills when using OKX trading bots is knowing when not to trade. Bots are not designed to run forever. Grid bots work best when price is moving sideways with clear support and resistance. If the market is trending strongly up or down, grid bots will underperform. DCA bots can help manage volatility, but only if you control position size and capital allocation. Turning on a bot at the wrong time is not bad luck. It is bad timing. How to set up a bot with control. Before you even touch the settings, you need to answer 3 questions. What market condition am I in? How much capital am I willing to risk? And how much drawdown can I emotionally tolerate? Once you answer these, the setup becomes simple. Choose a trading pair with sufficient liquidity. Define a realistic price range based on structure, not hope. Allocate capital gradually instead of all at once. And most importantly, start small. A bot is a system, not a bet. Why backtesting matters. Backtesting is not about finding perfect profits. It is about understanding behavior. When you backtest a bot, you learn how it reacts during volatility, during fake breakouts, and during slow markets. This gives you confidence when drawdowns happen, because you already expected them. People panic because they never tested the system. They only tested their emotions. Common mistakes that destroy accounts. The fastest way to lose money with OKX trading bots is overconfidence. People increase capital too quickly after a short winning streak. They ignore changing market conditions. They stack multiple bots on correlated assets. And they never stop the bot when conditions change. A bot does not know when to quit. That responsibility is always yours. Risk management with trading bots. Risk management is not optional. It is the foundation. Never allocate all your capital to one bot. Always leave margin for volatility. Avoid running bots during major news events unless the strategy is designed for it. And regularly review performance instead of letting the bot run blindly. Automation without supervision is not freedom. It is negligence. Trading bots are not passive income machines. They are tools that reduce emotional mistakes and improve execution. Some weeks they perform well. Some weeks they underperform. The goal is consistency over time, not overnight results. If you expect a bot to make you rich fast, you will misuse it. If you expect it to execute your strategy consistently, you will benefit from it. Manual trading versus bot trading. Manual trading gives flexibility but suffers from emotion. Bot trading gives discipline but requires structure. The best traders combine both. They analyze manually and execute systematically. Bots do not replace skill, they amplify it. When used correctly, they protect you from yourself. The biggest shift happens when you stop asking which bot is best and start asking which strategy fits this market. That mindset alone separates profitable users from frustrated ones. OKX trading bots are powerful, but only in the hands of someone who understands the logic behind them. If you want to start using OKX trading bots with lower fees and better rewards, use my OKX referral code when you sign up. The referral code is 50refund. With this code, you can get up to 20% fee rebate on both futures and spot trading, plus a welcome bonus of up to $10,000. The registration link and referral code are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical crypto automation and trading strategy content. And remember, trade systems, not emotions.